Well, here's a 2-day follow-up after dragging out all the Cara and plugging that hole. That hole was over there. We put 550 pounds of bentonite in that hole, pretty well filled it up flush. And right after we did that, I put that red flag in, and the where that flag stem touches the ground was just where the water level was. So that was the night of. Then the next day I came down, I put that flag in yesterday. That was just touching the water level. And then just a moment ago, I put in that other orange flag. And you can see the water is just lapping at the stem of that flag. So it looks like we lost about, a half an inch of water from, the night we did it till the next day. And then we lost another 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch from yesterday to today. I will continue to monitor the water levels. I'll keep making updates. If you guys like this video, click that thumbs up button. You want to see more videos, click the subscribe button. And until the next time, keep on tinkering.